So today we are going to discuss the question set 7 of the DBMS question sets. So let's read the question. There is a computer company called Next Computer. All marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with the database to store data. The product table of that database is given below. So we have already a database given for us. Okay, let's look at the questions. It says to create a database named Next Computer to save the data in the product table. All right, so they have given the table for us and we have to create the database, and then we have to create a table name called product, and we have to use the following instructions. So let's get started and let's see how to create the tables using HeidiSQL. All right, so let me zoom out a bit so you can see. Okay. All right, so let's look at how to create the table and the database using HeidiSQL. So you know that we have to click on the BMS, right click on that, create new database. The name of the database is going to be Next Computer according to the question. Click on OK, and we'll be able to see the Next Computer database is opened over here. So we have nothing in it. I'm going to right click on that, create new table, and the table name is going to be product according to the question. And now let's add the columns one by one. The first column is going to be ID, and the data type is going to be, let me check over here, the data type is going to be int. There's no length, but it is the primary key and we have to set it to auto increment like this. So to set up the auto increment, I went to default, I clicked on that, and I clicked on auto increment, I clicked on OK. And also I have to make that the primary key, so I have to click on the ID, right click on it, create new index, and click on primary. Now we have that as a primary key. So I can now insert the other columns. We have brand, and the type is going to be watcher. Right, and then I have model, and then I have quantity. Next I have, so the quantity is going to have the data type as int, and the next column is going to be price, and the data type is going to be double. Okay, and alright, so let's save the table, and we'll be able to see the product table getting updated over here. So we have completed the first and the first question, and the third, first and second question. So the third question says to insert the data into the product table you have created, use the data in the product table above. To insert these data into the table, so I'm going to use this way. So I'm going to go to the data and I'm going to click on this plus icon to add the data. So the brand is going to be HP, this one, and the brand is going to be HP, and the model is going to be Pavilion, and the quantity is 15. The price is going to be 175,000. And the next column is going to be one data, and also I changed these to no default like this. I double clicked on that, put on no default on that, and I save. So I'm going to Alright, so I have entered the data into my table. And now let's read the fourth question. The owner of the store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in this company. So he decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. Write down the relevant query statement for remove the Lenovo brand. So in order to remove any brand or any data in a table, we have to use the delete query. So I'm going to go to the query section, and I'm going to write the delete query first. So I have delete from the database is next computer. Let me double check that. Yeah, it's next computer. Dot, and the table that I'm going to use is the product table. And I'm not going to delete the whole product table, so I have to specify it. For that, I'm going to use the where statement, where I'm going to delete the Lenovo data, which is in the column. Lenovo is in the brand column, so I have to put that in the brand column. The name is going to be Lenovo. So I have to delete from the next computer database, and I have to put a dot and put the product table. So I have to specify which table I'm going to delete, where the brand is equal to Lenovo. I'm going to execute this, and I'm going to check my data, and I'm going to refresh my data. So currently Lenovo is in the 4th position, so I'm going to refresh it, and as you can see, the Lenovo is gone. Fifth question says the is brand ROG Z4S M15 laptop is no longer manufactured, so it has been decided to remove this laptop from the database. Write the delete query statement. So now I'm supposed to delete this row, so I have to go to the query part, and I'm going to change. So I have to delete from the next computer product table, where so now I cannot just put brand because I have many brands here called Asus, so I cannot put just brand. So I'm going to put brand, and I'm going to use the and statement, and I'm going to say the model is equal to this. Alright, so I'm going to execute, and I'm going to go to, okay, so if we have this brand and the model here, so I'm going to refresh it, and as you can see, it is gone. Right, so that is all for the question set 7. See you again in question set 8.